One of the benefit of filming is strengthening my own spiritual life, strengthening my faith to Jesus. And especially, isa sa mga magandang benefit ng filming, I just want to share to you guys that lately, it's been 1.5 years since I start filming, and I thank those people who believe in me, who still watch my videos kahit napaka-short or pinagtsatsagaan niyo yung mga video ko kasi I'm just starting. Pero I appreciate those people na nagtsatsaga talagang manood ng videos ko. So, I'm in a process kung saan I realized that I should smile often. Nung nag-start ako mag-filming, I'm not used to smile. Kasi nga, why should I? Parang, bakit kailangan, there are times na minsan talaga nagko-frown. Pero the moment that I start filming, syempre, mas better na you smile in front of camera. Kasi iba yung nadadala, iba yung nagagawa ng nag-i-smile ka. Iba yung nakikita, once na nakikita ng audience na masaya. Not just para ipakita sa inyo na I'm happy, guys. But you are designed to become a daughter of God kung saan nagtitiwala sa Panginoon. You are a daughter who rely to someone that is sovereign, that is powerful, and that is God. So you don't have to worry about anything but pray for everything, sabi nga ng Panginoon, di ba? As we pray, as we trust the Lord during the process of whatever it is na hinaharap natin right now, let's be mindful na God is with us. God is always listening and watching us. And you don't have to make simangot. You don't have to frown. You don't have to worry about anything. Kasi God is with us. Yun yung laging iniisip ko. Yun yung laging pumapasok sa isip ko every time na I feel doubt, I worry about tuition, about finances, about health, and whatsoever. God always reminds me that I am with you. I can answer all your prayers. God is powerful. Prayer is powerful. So all I have to do is pray, and God will give me the wisdom and yung assurance that everything will be alright as I trust God. So that's it. See you in my next video. I hope you enjoy watching my videos. Bye and God bless.